Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shamik Sajwani and you are watching Upskill Yourself. You have read the title correctly and it is no clickbait. I did get a free certificate from Harvard University, and in this video I'll tell you how I did it, what were the steps I took, the entire procedure, and stick till the end. I have some more links which you can use to get similar results. So if you found the video informative, drop a like to it, comment and share. This really helps me a lot, and subscribe if you haven't already. And without further ado, let's get into the video.
Back to what I was saying. Could be us.
I did this course CS50X Introduction to Computer Science from edX.org. So I'm going to take you to the computer screen and show you step by step what I did and how I did it. So this is the edX homepage, and this is where you will find all the courses. So in the search box, you're going to write CS50 Introduction to Computer Science, which is the course I did. We're going to do the same, and we're going to go into the course layout. So this is the course layout, and all the things are mentioned over here, what the course is going to be about and who is going to be the teacher, and where you can find all the answers and discussion room where if you're stuck in any problem. Below that you will see there are many week 0, week 1, week 2, week 3 these written. So it shows that this course has 9 problem sets or 9 tasks and 9 lectures and 1 final project. So I made the portfolio website, and this portfolio website looks something like this. I have a video already up on the channel. If you haven't watched it, you can go to the iCard and you will see the video link. And in this video, I give a demonstration of the website I made using all the HTML and CSS I learned in the courses. And also I try to add some animations of my own which I learned online, and try to color grade it and did something with the pictures as well. Small video, but it tells how the final project I did, and you can get an idea from that as well. If you want to try something similar, you can do that as well. Going into week 0, we will see that this is what the first lecture video will look like to you. And then if you watch the entire video, the lecture, which is of 2 hours, and sometimes it's of less than 2 hours, sometimes it's more than 2 hours. These were some amazing lectures, and the teacher David J. Malan was an amazing teacher. So once the video is completed, then you're going to go to the problem set, which is at the right of it. And you're going to see this is known as the problem set, and you're going to find more notes and videos and links to more stuff if you want help from. So if you go to the problem set, and you're going to see this new page come up. And if you notice, this is not the edX page, this is CS50's page. So then I started looking into this page. So I saw this black bar at the left, and this column has more options to it. So when I started to going through these options, you can find all the week's lectures and problem sets over here. You can also find your grade book to see what score you are getting on each of these assignments and tasks. And then you're also going to see this another options which says CS50 certificate. And I was wondering, not edX certificate, but CS50 certificate. So I dive into it. I clicked the button, I opened it, and this prompt came in front of me. If you submit and receive a score of at least 70% on all the 9 problem sets and the final project, you will be eligible for a free CS50 certificate. They're giving away a free certificate, CS50 certificate, to whoever completes all the 9 problem sets and the final project. And guess what? I did it. I completed all the 9 problem sets. I did the final project as well, and I got an amazing score on it. So this is how the certificate looks like. It has my name on it, and it is actually an amazing thing. You can use it on your CV, you can use it on LinkedIn. So this course is actually initially of $99 if you get a verified edX certificate, but then I did some digging and try searching for it, and I found that you can also get a free certificate. So this is how I did it, and I'm going to show you now more ways where you can find online courses like these. At some places you might not get the free certificate, they might be paid, but if you think it's worth it and you're getting a certificate from a named institution, I suggest that go for it and take it. And if you don't want the certificate, you just want to do the course, then do the course, because you're going to learn something new, you're going to learn some skills, and then you can use those skills to make money online, or you can use it to add to your resume, and you can build from it. So another places where you can find these courses are first edX, then you're going to find a Coursera, then you can find Udemy, Skillshare, HubSpot, Khan Academy, Code Academy, YouTube is also one of the options. Tried the other. I've tried Coursera, I've tried Khan Academy, I've tried Code Academy, and I've tried all the other options. But if there are more, please let me know. Please write in the comment section. I would love to look at more options as well. And getting a free certificate like this is amazing. And if you have something you are not understanding properly and you want me to explain it to you, I can do that as well. Let me know in the comments. Let me know on my Instagram as well. Try looking at these options, try looking at these courses. We are at home and we can make time, at least 1 hour per day, for these online courses, because they are worthwhile and you're going to learn a lot of things. And even if it is a basic course, do it. You're going to build up from it. You're going to have skills. You're going to learn things that you never had before and you never thought you could do before. So try doing it. Try getting out of your comfort zone and explore new options for yourself. That's it for me today. And if you like the video, found it informative, drop a like to it, comment what you like the most about it, share it with your friends, help each other out, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.